Hi everyone, in front of me I've got RedMagic 10R and let me share with you how to actually show the battery percentage on the status bar in this device. So in this device we've got actually two different ways to get into the percentage options. I'll show you both. So let's start with opening the settings. This is the same step in both of the ways to get to this option. And the first one is to find notification and status bar. Let's tap on it. Then we have to tap on status bar icons. And as you can see here, we've got the battery percentage option. Simply tap on it, and in this device we've got 4 different options. So do not display battery percentage. Obviously we've got only the battery indicator. We can display it inside the battery icon. So as you can see, it's relatively small, so it can fit inside. We can display it display outside the battery icon, so it is on the left and it is much bigger, so it is also more readable. And we do not display battery icon at all, which also means that we cannot display the percentage. For example, we do not have the option to display only the percentage. So here we've got 4 different options, and the second way to get there is to simply find the battery. Let's scroll and find the battery. Here we can scroll down again and go to more settings. And here we've got the battery percentage, and here we've got the same options as we had in the previous way. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.